boys and girls, you are going to sort the words into hard or soft G, and then you are going to use the microphone to record yourself reading the words. Then you're going to come here. You are going to complete the word search. You're going to use the highlighter tool. You're going to look for the word gem, and you are going to locate it on the word search. And you're going to do the same for giant, gentle, gym, magic, gerbil, digit, energy, legend, ginger. And on this last page, you have a list of words: giraffe, giant, gymnast, gem, angel, magic, and you are going to write the words on the lines that match with the picture. For example, this first one is gem, gem. And to get no borders, I'm going to the three dots, the style, and over to the no border. If you're on this one, the one in the middle, you have a border around it. If you want no border, go to this A, and you will have no border. You can adjust the sides by going to these dots and shrinking them in. You can adjust the size by coming to the corner dot and pulling with the corner. And then I did gem, so I'm going to cross it off. And then I will do the next one.